Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best TJ Fender Flares is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your Jeep Wrangler TJ, offering a perfect blend of rugged aesthetics and practical functionality that not only enhances your vehicle's off-road prowess but also provides crucial protection against road debris and trail hazards. These flares are designed to accommodate larger tires, giving your TJ that aggressive stance and improved ground clearance needed for tackling challenging terrains, while also ensuring compliance with local regulations regarding tire coverage. Whether you're aiming for a show-stopping look or preparing for serious off-roading adventures, selecting the right fender flares can significantly elevate your Jeep's performance and appearance, making it a standout on and off the pavement. Number 5. YITAMOTOR Fender Flares for Jeep Wrangler TJ LJ. Upgrade your 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ and LJ with these custom-fit fender flares. Designed for a precise fit, they include both front and rear pieces for complete coverage. Get these installed with ease. Basic tools and a little drilling are all you need. We include all the necessary hardware and instructions for a straightforward assembly. Crafted from heavy-duty, black powder-coated stainless steel, these flares are built to last. They provide robust protection for your wheel wells against mud, scratches, and debris. You'll receive a full set of 4 fender flares, 2 for the front and 2 for the rear. The package also includes all mounting hardware and a detailed installation manual. Purchase with confidence knowing we stand behind our products. Any issues with manufacturing defects or shipping damage are covered. Contact us if you have any questions before buying. What we like. These offer robust protection with their heavy-duty stainless steel construction. Installation is straightforward with basic tools. If you're looking for a complete, durable solution for your TJ or LJ, this set provides excellent coverage and value. What people say. They fit my 2003 Dodge Ram 1500 perfectly and were easy to install. The flares look great on my truck and provide excellent coverage for my 35-inch tires. The material is durable and seems like it will hold up well against road debris. Number 4. Smittybilt XRC Rear Bolt-On Flares TJ. Introducing the Smittybilt XRC Rear Bolt-On Flares, designed specifically for your 1997 to 2006 Wrangler TJ. Give your Jeep a rugged, aggressive stance with these premium flares. Constructed from durable 1-to-1/2-inch DOM 120 steel tubing and 3/16-inch cold-rolled steel, these flares are built to withstand the toughest off-road conditions. They are sold in convenient pairs. Enjoy a perfect fit with compatibility for your factory tail lamps. Installation is straightforward, ensuring a clean and professional look. These flares are designed to work seamlessly with other Smittybilt XRC components. Enhance your Jeep's protection and style by pairing them with XRC rear corner guards or XRC front fenders. Finished in a tough, textured black, these flares not only add protection but also a sleek, off-road aesthetic to your TJ. They are ready to tackle any adventure. What we like. Constructed with tough DOM steel tubing, these flares are built for extreme conditions. The bolt-on design ensures a secure fit. If you're an off-road enthusiast who needs aggressive styling and compatibility with existing lighting, these are a great choice. What people say. Easy to install. Remove the old fender, line the new one up, drill the holes and bolt it on. Looks great and feels solid. My fenders came well packaged with all mounting hardware. All in all, the fenders are sturdy and great looking. Easy install straight onto the tub and look great. These should last a while. Good finish, fit and sturdy enough. Number 3. Omix-Ada Fender Flare Kit for Jeep Wrangler TJ. Give your 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ a factory fresh appearance. This fender flare kit is designed to match the original style, ensuring a seamless fit. This comprehensive kit includes all 6 pieces needed to replace your worn or damaged fender flares. It's everything you need for a full refresh. Constructed with a durable black finish, these flares are built to last. They provide protection and enhance the rugged look of your vehicle. Designed as a factory-style replacement, this kit offers precise fitment for your TJ. It's the perfect solution for restoring original aesthetics. While hardware is sold separately, installation is straightforward. Get your Jeep looking great again with this essential upgrade. Trust in the quality of Omix-Ada for your Jeep parts. This fender flare kit, part number 11603.11, is a reliable choice for your Wrangler. What we like. These flares offer a classic, factory-like appearance for your Wrangler. As a 6-piece kit, they provide comprehensive coverage. If you prefer a clean, original look and want to maintain the stock aesthetic of your TJ, these are the perfect fit. What people say. Fit and finish are perfect. Took literally 10 minutes to install each. Good quality and hole location was right on. I really can't tell the difference between this set and OEM. Front fit like OEM. Rears not equal to OEM, they are distorted inward at top of fender. Number 2. Omix-Ada 11608.01 Fender Flare Kit for Jeep Wrangler TJ. Upgrade your Jeep Wrangler TJ with this premium fender flare kit. Designed for a perfect fit, it enhances both style and protection. These 7-inch wide flares offer extended coverage, keeping mud and debris away from your vehicle. They are built to last and withstand the elements. Constructed from durable black thermoplastic, these flares are built for rugged use. The UV-treated surface ensures they won't fade or crack over time. Enjoy an OE style that seamlessly integrates with your Jeep's design. Installation is straightforward, providing a factory-like appearance. This comprehensive 6-piece kit includes everything you need for installation. All necessary hardware is provided for a hassle-free upgrade. Specifically designed for the 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ models. Give your iconic Jeep the aggressive look it deserves. What we like. Made from UV-treated thermoplastic, these flares are designed to resist fading and cracking. The 7-inch width offers substantial coverage. If you're looking for durable, OE-style flares that come with all the necessary hardware for a hassle-free installation, these are an excellent option. What people say. The flares are a great addition to the truck, providing a rugged look and extra tire coverage. Installation was straightforward, and the flares fit perfectly without any gaps. They hold up well against road debris and protect the paint from chips and scratches. Number 1. OEDRO Flat Fender Flares for Jeep Wrangler TJ LJ. These fender flares are designed for a perfect fit on all 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ and LJ models. The set includes both front and rear flares for complete coverage. Installation is made easier with self-drilling screws. While some drilling might be necessary, the process is straightforward for a secure fit. Crafted from heavy-duty, black powder-coated stainless steel, these guards offer exceptional durability. They effectively protect your wheel wells from mud, scratches, and other road debris. You'll receive 2 front and 2 rear fender flares, along with all the necessary mounting hardware and an installation manual. Everything is carefully packaged for safe delivery. Purchase with confidence knowing our renowned customer service is here to support you. We cover manufacturing defects and shipping damage, and are available to answer any fitment questions before you buy. What we like. These flat fender flares are crafted from solid steel for maximum durability and protection. Their design prioritizes ease of installation with self-drilling screws. If you want rugged, no-nonsense protection for your TJ or LJ's wheel wells and appreciate a straightforward installation process, these are the ones to get. What people say. The flares are made of a durable, flexible material that can withstand impacts without cracking. Installation was straightforward, with all necessary hardware included and clear instructions. They provide excellent protection against mud, rocks, and road debris, keeping the vehicle cleaner. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.